Okay guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be making affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what we have here today. We're going to be making us affordable strawberry shortcake. Two different types of strawberry shortcakes. Alright, and they're going to be delicious. Alright, now I'm going to show you some of the ingredients I have here. This is some whipped cream topping. Here's some strawberries. There's about 6 or 7 of them sliced up. Here's some buttercream. I'm sorry. Alright, these are just some sugar sprinkles that I'm going to put on there. Here's some like pie fillings, strawberry pie fillings that I'm going to be incorporating that. And these are the shortbreads right here. Vanilla dessert shells, whatever, dessert shells right here. Alright? And here's the 2 glasses that I'm going to be using for that. So guys, stay with me. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and get started with this. What we're going to do is take us some filling. And we're just going to put some of that at the bottom. Like so. Alright. Take us some whipped cream. Like so. Then we're going to take our little stuff right here. We'll put some of this frosting in there. Just like that. Okay? And we just drop that in there. Like so. And we're going to have to push that down in there. So we just try to push it down in there like this. Then we go in with our filling again. Just like that. Put a little bit more in there. Alright. Now I'm not going to put no more cream, the other stuff on it, so we're going to put this on the top. Like so. Okay? Take some more of this filling. Your kids gonna love this. Alright. And then take your thing like that. Put this in the garbage. Alright. Then we'll take our strawberries. Let me wash my hands again. Ooh. Sucker keep falling off. Take us some sprinkle. There you go. Right there. That's 1 down. Alright. Hope you guys like that one. Quite sure it's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, we're going to go ahead and stick this one in the freezer. Can you guys see that? Alright. That's 1 down. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started on this one. We're going to go with whipped cream this time. Okay. You gotta work it in there. Give it a little push, a little helping hand. Let it come to the right there. Put some more of this on top of this one. Okay. A little bit more frost. Some of that. Take this one. And like bring it right here. All right. Take some more of this. And we're just gonna sit that in on top of there, like just like this. Okay. So it won't go anywhere. Then we'll take this. You gotta be careful with this thing. This thing gets out of control real quick. Okay. Look kind of weird a little bit, but it'll work. Okay, that's it. I ain't gonna mess with no more of that. So this one, you can just take some cookies like that, put it on there. Just like that. Don't look too bad. I think I want to shake that up some. So what I'll do is to go like this. Throw the rest of it in the garbage. Just look too bulky. It don't look eye pleasing to me. So I'll have to shape it up a little bit. Okay. Sprinkle a little of this on top of there. And that's it. There you go, right there. You like that, guys? Comment down below and tell me, do you like it this way or the other way? I'm gonna do one more for you guys. All right, so that's it. That's a strawberry shortcake veiled all way. All right, let me zoom in on this one for you. See if I can adjust it. Okay, all I did was took some frosting and went around the side. Okay, so I did that for this reason, because this is what we're going to do. We're just going to put some cookies around it. Okay, well, let me show you how that looks. A little bit closer. You just gotta make it works for you. See that? All right. So what we're gonna do is, because I ran out of this, got some strawberry right here. I'm just gonna put some on top of that, just like that. Then we're gonna come in with this. We're going to sit this one on top of there, like so. Alright. Make sure this looking decent. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. About to put some more of this stuff on here. Now don't mind it if it falls on down the side and all this stuff. Don't even worry about it. Okay, here's my other one. I took some more frosting on this one. I'm gonna just sit this one on top of here, like so. All right. If I can get it kind of like even a little bit. All right. I'm gonna take you some strawberries. Just put them around the side. Okay. Take you some more pie filling. Put it on top. Like that. More that. Look like it's going to slide off. Maybe I shouldn't put that whipped cream down there. Okay. Almost look like a hot mess. So we're not going to worry about this one too much. Not acting the way I wanted to act, so we may not put this one in there. Yeah, he ain't looking good. So we're not going to worry about him. Somebody eat it though, you can believe that. Look like a leaning tower. About ready to fall all over. Okay guys, that's it right there. Affordable strawberry shortcakes. From my home to yours. I had to hurry up and mess with this frosting there, get a little warm in here, and this whipped cream is starting to melt on it, so you definitely want to put this in the freezer, okay? And if you guys like it, just give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just tell me anyway, if you don't like it or not, okay? But I'm quite sure it's going to taste real good. And guys, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be bringing you something new every week. Thank you for watching Veil Dog's Kitchen. Guys, let's get cooking. I'm out of here.